Welcome, today in front of me 150 Lite, and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case inside the box. So here we got the paper box, and inside of this paper box you should find the clear protective silicone case here. So yes, our device comes with a protective case inside the box, and you shouldn't buy it separately the first time, so you can use this protective case. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.